a Numatic NV200 22, bless him, a machine that we have seen a couple of on my channel, and heck, we're seeing one more today, because this actually belongs to a cleaning lady, customer slash contact of mine, found it being thrown out by some offices that she cleans by. Could I have a look and see if it's, worth doing anything with? Does it run? Does it need anything? Who knows? We are going to find out. So let's have a look. We'll play spot the bits that are missing and see if the old boy is going to fire up or explode. Let's have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner and pneumatic chums. How are you today? Yes, this old boy, bless him, who knows? Could be a nice easy turn on, it could be an absolute horror show, who knows? We have ourselves a 2004, oh can you read that? 2004 pushy button, which seems to be clicking, you can hear it, and a high-low which has probably never been off high since it came out of the box, and we're going to leave it on high now. We have the remains of some sort of asset number, slapped on the top, as they often do, and then underneath here it's not got a filter and hasn't had one since before it was last used, apparently, which is where we come in, because she's not turning on yet. We have the remains of the filter cage, very nice, but yeah, then all we have is a big oval bucket, which, doesn't really matter if it works or not. Oh, this is from also 2004. There's a date wheel on the bottom of the bin. Yeah, nice front casters, black back ones, obviously early rubberized grip, and yeah, completely missing the hose inlet slash bag holder. Did ask her to check the hose to see if it had it on it, but equally if it does, that means that it's broken anyway, so we should tell her to purchase one of those should it be worth it. Let's pull the cable out. Yeah, that's fine. Nothing seemingly wrong with that yet. We shall find out in a second. Let me go and put some power to him via my RCD plug. Don't know if it's on or off, so we shall find out in a second. Oh, nothing yet. Okay, but that doesn't mean anything yet. Let's try again. Sounds alright, doesn't it? Full of dust, which is to be expected if it doesn't have anything, in there. But yeah, he runs very well indeed. So yeah, there we go. He runs, found by some offices and runs fine. I would imagine what probably happened is that snapped, as they often do. He was then, battered around, broken, stuck on him, until eventually somebody nicked the filter out for another pneumatic and popped him out to the trash, which is where my lady came in and picked him up. So yeah, he runs. I don't quite see there's much point in doing anything else to him. She doesn't really mind him being dirty, I don't think. He just needs to be used in the cheapest way possible. So for now, this is it. But yeah, I thought I would show you a nice pneumatic, because it's always good to see them. We always like to see pneumatics. So tell me in the comments, what was your most recent pneumatic find? Bin find, skip find, street find, tree find, gutter find. The sort of thing I'm on about. Tell me down below. But yeah, until next time, we'll get this back to its owner, and I will see you soon. Bye bye. A couple of Days later, it's always a couple of days, isn't it? The actual job only takes half an hour, but always ends up being a couple of days. I managed to turn him into a little job, because crikey, it was no fit state to use before. It was utterly filthy. Been used, I'd imagine the filter was probably damaged, judging by the dust in there. If they then parted ways and he got put out for scrap. So he's been apart, washed and put back together. I got rid of the horrible sticker on the top, although it wasn't really hiding anything, nice under there. It's just clean now. The bucket has been washed, it's been siftish on the outside, inside is stained and never really going to do anything, and it's now got bird poo in it because Phoenix sat on the end of it at some point. So yeah, okay, we'll have to sort that out in a minute. So yeah, managed to tidy the old thing up a bit. In here we have a supposedly brand new, it cost me a tenner, so whatever, and it is brand new, supposedly genuine, we'll never know, but equally one of these, because the problem is, you see, she may have had this bit on the end of the hose, but the problem with having this bit on the end of the hose is that means it's broken, and one of these two tabs has snapped off, so not really much use anyway, and for the sake of these small amounts of money that it costs, I told her this and she ordered a new one, so fit this on, there we go, clickety, there we go, clickety click, and we now have a threaded bag holder inserty thing. Now we don't have a filter, and that's fine, we're not buying one, so we're going to quickly borrow the Wizard's filter, which is still pretty spotless after 4 or 5 bags. Few little marks, but that's fine, the bag that's in it's quite full, so yeah, we'll put that to one side, we can fit this, won't bother with the bag for now. Then we can plug him in. There is little difference. Shut up, Phoenix. There is little difference between low and high, but it runs, it works. This NV, it works, he wasn't together properly. This NVR200-22 is ready for probably a lifetime of being smashed around another office block somewhere. But he runs, he'll have a better filter. We'll have that back, thank you very much indeed. We may as well bring the Wizard across, because technically underneath his wizarding branding, which I'm not going to remove right now, he is a Numatic as well. They still sell this exact form factor. You can get battery versions of this now, the NV200 or 240 or whatever it is, in this size. It's like this, and crikey. The finish is getting quite the same on the pair of them as well. This is picking up some scuffs. This already has some. So yeah, the little cleaning duo team are... it's not done, is it? Will you? Go away. The Numatic that a person I know found by some bins, and I charged her some money to give them a bit of a wash and a brush up, is done. We have a new threaded hose fitted, and it's just another easy bin find, really. Not been fined by me, but it's been fined by somebody else, and we have saved him again. We're an eco-friendly channel here, aren't we? So yeah, there we go. What was the last bin fine vacuum that you had? Comment down below, and I and some other down on its luck, possibly incomplete vacuum cleaner will see you soon. Bye bye.